Well guys, today I'll be showing you a video on mainly how to get Sony Vegas Pro 15 for free. To do that, you have to go to a website and download the Sony Vegas Pro 15. I will put the link below description so you can follow the link and download it. So let's go. So first you have to open your browser and you can just paste your link over here and then you click. So when you go, as you can see the page coming, so mainly your page will come like this. It will give you an option to download. So this is New Vegas like Televic rare. This is a rare file, but no problem, you download it. When you click on download, it will start to download. So when it start to download, you have to wait a bit until it's complete download. So when it's complete, it will show same like this. The download is complete and it will be downloaded to your computer, and then you have to install it. So how you can find your folder where the downloaded file is saved, like go to download. For me it came over here, so to find it, well, it's here. So it says New Vegas Televic. So from here you can just extract the file. Okay, you can click on extract the file. You select desktop. For the purpose of this file, I will extract the desktop. Then you just press OK. Okay, so it will start to extract. It will take a while to extract, so wait till it extract. So after you complete the extraction of your complete the file, it will come like this to your desktop. So you open it, and after you open, you will see this file is over here. So you install it. You click down installing. Also you have to wait till installing is finished. You press yes, and then it will give you an option like this. So you select English, next, and then you accept the terms and conditions, like I have read the end user license and agreement. Then you press next, and then you create a shortcut on desktop. Then you install it. Okay, so now it's installing. Well, when it's finished the installation, it will say Vegas Pro 15 has been successfully installed. So you finish it. When you finish, you go to your desktop. You will see Vegas Pro 15 icon is over here, as you can see. Okay, see, like it's over here. So after we get it over here, what you do now, next things is you go back to the file, and now the top this file we extract it here, like extract here. We'll extract this file again, so extract it. See, extraction is finished. When it extract, you go to this file, then you double click on it again. It will ask for your permission. You say yes. Okay, so when you give a permission, it will come like this. You just say next, and then okay, it will done. That means your Vegas Pro 15 patching is done. Now you click on finish. So it's finished. That's it. You are done now. Close this file. If you want, you can delete this file, the extracted one, but now you see your Vegas Pro 15 is already here and it will work fully featured. Like now, if I double click on it, you will see it will take a while, like it says on progress, and then it will work. So wait a bit, let it to be initialized, and then you will see the Vegas Pro 15 is working full featured for free. You don't have to buy it. Okay, so there you go. Now as you can see, your Vegas Pro 15 is already here. Now you can use it and you can work on Vegas Pro 15. As you can see over here, you have Vegas Pro 15. You can import your file, you can do all the works over here. So guys, enjoy Vegas Pro 15 for free, and thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please ask below by comments. Thank you very much.